Hello， 你好，我是张雪莲，我来自中国，你可以叫我 Jane， 很高兴认识你。Hello, I am Jane. I am a native Chinese speaker, live in Shenzhen, China. I graduated from Wuhan University of Technology. My major is English. Japanese is my second foreign language. I like teaching Chinese. My students include adults and children. In my class, you will feel very relaxed and happy. I will prepare different methods for you, such as picture, music, story, and videos. I want to be your good friend and would like to help you find fun in learning Chinese. If you like me, come and join my class. I hope to see you soon.